Okay, so I took two trades today, both L's. But let me run this down. Um, okay, so pre-market has huge rally up, and we had bunch of lows. This is liquidity. Looking at the 4 hours, about time frame. If you zoom out, pretty much all lows is liquidity for the most part, right? And then on the daily, we will inside this daily fair value gap perspective. We also have equal lows right here. So overall bullish on the bearish on the day. Go on 5 minutes. I was looking for a trade right here on this 5 minute retracement, but there was no opportunity presented. So I got a 5 minute retracement right here, which is where I started looking for a trade. So moving on to the 1 minute. Uh, A plus trade. Uh, but didn't play out. But we had a value gap right here that was created, and we also invoiced this fair value gap and invoiced this fair value gap. At the time, we also had a SMT with the ES. Uh, and on the ES at this time, we was wicked heavily on the fair value gap. Right here. See, right here. Wicked it a few times, so I was pretty confident. Got it. Move stopped just above this high because I was hoping price would come to this high. Either way though, if I didn't move it, it still would have been stopped out. Just hardly, as you can see right here. Could have taken a trade off of this fair value gap right here. But personally, I didn't like how it looked. Uh, because I just didn't feel like it was a good fair value gap. Like you can see, like right here, the wick. Like I just wasn't confident in it. So that's why I didn't take it there. However, I took it there, but A plus. Oh well, even better. So that was that trade. Take profit originally was for these lows for a 1 to 2 risk to reward, but I did expect price to go low as it did. Uh, Once it got stopped out, though, I kind of panicked, little FOMO, and took a long right here. Because we invoiced the fair value gap and made a BPR. That was the wrong decision, as we know, but it is what it is. Overall, this week's been pretty shitty. Going on to, I'm not trading Friday or Monday. So going on to Tuesday, I'll be looking for more A plus trades, and I'm hoping we won't be at all-time highs. Powell will be done speaking, and it'll be we'll be in October, not September, so price action should be better anyway. So until then, I'm just gonna put some capital and wait. But overall, good trade. Stop loss was just too tight for a day like today, which is a shame. Uh, like I said, could have waited to try to take a trade off of this fair value gap. Uh, but I just didn't feel confident off of this. And we had no market structure, so that was like another like iffy part of it. But it is what it is. And there was another trade opportunity just up here, uh, right here. But I didn't take this trade because A, we didn't have 5 minute retracement, and B, once again, the wick kind of threw me off of this fair value gap, but it would have played out perfectly had we got in. Inverse fair value gap, work structure shift, good trade. Like I said, this wick was throwing me off a little bit. So yeah.